let's get to it. We're gonna start Bugs down here with his head. Right about here. We don't want to go too far up because he's got these wide, very wide and long ears. So there's his brow. We've got a little tuft of hair here like that. That's right. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna come down like that. That's right, that's the beginning of his head here. And then we can draw an eye right about there. That looks nice. And we could draw the other eye coming down like that. There we go. Bugs Bunny. One pupil there. Another pupil right about there. Looking nice. Alright, now we can draw his furry face. Here we go, we're gonna come like this. And it comes around like that, and he's got his little whisker bits there. And it come down like that. And then we could do the same over here. We'll come around, little furry bits. And we'll come down like that. Right about there. Looking nice. And then we can join this all up by his nose, right about there. Little triangle for his nose, not too much. And then a W for his lips, right about there. We can't forget his buck teeth now, can we? There we go, just like that. There we go. And now we can draw his whiskers. 1, 2, 3. Over here on this side. 1, 2, 3. Looking nice. All right, here we go. A little brow here, looking good. And now what we can do is we can get his ears going. So let's get his ears all the way up here. They're very, very long, aren't they? Just like that, little wavy like that. And coming on down like that. There we go, very nice. And then the other one will come up just behind his tuft of hair there. And we're gonna have this ear behind that one, like that. There we go, all the way back down like that. There we go, looking good. A little bit on his nose there, that's always nice. And then we can draw the inside of his ears here, just like that. And like that, that's good. And on the same with on the last one. There we go. In and out like that, looking nice. There we go. Maybe we'll fix his eye up here just so he's looking the same way, right? Perfect. Little smile for him there. There we go. And now we'll give him a pose. Little neck here, just like that. There we go. And now we gotta have his arms coming around, just like this. Posing with his hands on his hips, I would imagine. So let's do that. There we go. For whatever reason, Bugs has gloves on. So let's give him some glove-looking hands. Like this. 1, 2, 3 fingers for Bugs. And maybe a little thumb coming around here. Just like that. How's that looking? Not too bad. There we go. We'll bring his hip down here like this. Just leaving on his hip. And his leg. There we go. Looking good. Bring that on out like that. And we'll continue this down all the way like this. This is the fun part of Bugs, right about here, the inside of his belly. There we go. And then we can bring his leg all the way around like that. There we are. And now we can draw his feet. His big floppy bunny feet. There we go. They almost look like slippers, don't they? There we are. Looking good. Toes. Alrighty. There we go. There's that part. And now we can draw his chest here. Coming on down like that. Looking nice. There we go. And now his other arm right about here. Isn't this looking nice? Bring that in like that. his other arm coming over here. Let's not forget his gloves, just like that. And now we can bring his other hand down here as if it's on his hip there. Very nice. 1, 2, and they'll be hidden by his leg here, just like that. And we'll bring his other foot around like that. And a slipper toes like that. Very good. Ooh. And ooh, right about there. Coming around like that. And then right back up like there. Looking nice. Join that up for his heel there. And we've got Bugs Bunny. Finish his arm off. There we go, everyone. Alright, and let's not forget his tail. We almost forgot the tail. Right there. Just behind his hand there. Alright, looking good. There we go, everyone. Bugs Bunny. And now for the color. We've got gray for his skin, fur. The inside of his ears will be light orange, and his nose will be pink.